What's going on, guys? As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment. Without any further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump right in. So today, lately, I've had a little bit of a gardener's burnout. So today we're going to basically be cleaning up. And you guys are familiar with the bed looking like this to some degree. You're probably like, oh, it's overgrown, this, that, and the other. But the part you don't see is that I only maintenance this on average once a week. And in the last week and a half, I've been feeling a little under the weather, kind of recovering and then playing catch up on some other things. Look at the garden. Look at it. You couldn't hardly tell. But look how much stuff, biomass, I pull off of this and I'm going to put back into the garden. I mean, there's a pile here. There's a pile here. This is in a week and a half, you guys. Another pile over here. And all I did was mess with the squash and the sunflowers. We got some sunflower heads here harvested. We got some other ones we're going to try for eating. Those are going to be for seed saving. The ones that I didn't like and more than what we need to try for eating, the sunflowers, I just threw away because I don't want them reproducing. Look at the squash. And this isn't even all of it. We've been harvesting. My wife comes out and she harvests before she cooks. Look, we got new ones coming in here, all throughout here. We got some more full-grown ones over here. I mean, there's stuff everywhere, guys. And the thing is since I don't actually mess with the harvesting, my wife does. All I have to do is upkeep. It's really easy on my side, but this stuff grows aggressively. It works. I know I don't do that much on the harvest videos and all that, but this has got to prove something, because I mean, look at it, it's huge. This whole area, I mean, the tubs, all of this out here, out to the side. There was squash growing all the way out here. I mean, it really just wants to take over. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna harvest some of this stuff. See, I got another one here, but I'll probably let that one go, or I may give it to a neighbor with how much production we still have coming. And you can see the corn. I mean, the corn is starting to really just full throttle. On that note, the corn seed that we did save, so if you saw our last video where we saved corn seed, that actually failed because we had a lot of rain the following week after we did that. And so all of our seeds started to mold for the corn, because sweet corn's really hard to dehydrate here, especially in Texas with this humidity. So we just threw it out. So we're going to see if it grows. We're going to try again, but we're not going to just abandon ship. We're going to go. We threw out all of our corn seed. You can see some of it took, some of it didn't. That's fine. To each their own. We do have some corn going, and we're just going to, mess with it then. And then this is the other cool thing. Look, I got grass over here. It's been 2 weeks, and this is the kind of, I mean, it comes right up. So I would give it a shot if you haven't already. Try this interplanting stuff. It's really cool. It's working very well. Our sunflowers here, these firm stalks, I've trimmed them down, the ones that we harvested, into sticks. And it's our attempt at actually replacing these bamboo sticks here. I just don't like how they operate. And these, I like the concept that for the next year, I could potentially use them to grow green beans or whatever. They're pretty strong trellis. They're not going to lay over as bad as the bamboo sticks that we have. And you can see we're already starting that process. So hopefully, within the next month, these guys will get taken over with beans. And since we're already using some of our other pots to produce these beans for seed, like right here, so I'll be picking these off and letting them finish drying for seed. That means whatever we start to grow after a certain period will ultimately be edible. So we'll be catching up on our seed supply, and then we'll be able to eat more of it. The tomatoes are doing phenomenal. And look at these guys. They're coming in nice. So some of our I'm a little concerned about like our watermelons and stuff. Really not wanting to come out, but it could just be that they were a little suppressed from these squash plants. I mean, they were huge, guys, and they're just pulling everything down. So as always, peace, be kind out there, and we'll see you all in the next video.